So we officially signed up to skydive. We're skydiving at 3 p.m. on Sunday. And all 4 of us are going. We're gonna go full send. We're just gonna skydive from 12,000 feet, which is crazy. But it's gonna be really pretty, hopefully. Yeah. All the foods. I've got a ton of bananas, which I'm gonna freeze most of them. And then I got a ton of avocados because avocado toast is amazing. And some granola. Double thing of sprouted grain bread. Got a big thing of tomatoes, some beetroot. I had carrots still. And some bell pepper. Hummus was on sale. And then a thing of salsa and some greens. And then I got a thing of spinach as well. I saw these things and tried them for the first time. They're actually really good. I think we're just gonna dip, but don't double dip. See if I actually can go
Right set.
Dips and salsa?
I'm ready to eat. How excited.
Is everyone excited?
I actually really like that one.
Well,
Everyone, thank you so much for coming to our official salsa and guac taste off. It's an honor to have each and every one of you here tonight. And my name is Nicole. If you haven't already met me yet, you guys are free to talk amongst yourselves and we're trying the salsa. We're going to go through and rate them 1 through 10 and determine a winner for the salsa and the guac. So what we're going to do is we're each going to try the same salsa and the same guac at the same time and kind of go around the room. And I want a rating from each of you 1 through 10, 10 being like the best you've ever had and 1 being I don't like this at all. And then we're going to determine the winners. Also, we've got some nice tortilla strips here. These are minimally flavored. They just have a little bit of sea salt. So you can come up and around the room. We'll just go. We have them labeled 1 through. So we'll start with number 1. Number 1 is nice salsa, and then I'll go around the room and get ready for you. Is that good? Yes. I'm glad you mentioned it. We are judging on the taste, the texture, and the flavor. So kind of put those together in your mind and taste, texture, flavor, whatever you think of it. Give it a score 1 through 10.
Alright, because I noticed there's some sauces.
Yes.
Do they affect, or are we just going for straight? Because in my mind they're a really bad guac, but they might be a good sauce.
Okay. Whatever you want to rate it in your minds, 1 through 10, you're good. But those are kind of the guidelines for the criteria. Anyone have any questions before we get started? Alright. So number 1 is a nice salsa. And we've got some chips over here. I don't know if we want to pass it around or if we want to have people come up.
We have plates. We have plates.
We have plates? Okay.
How is it, Seth? If you had to give it a rating, 1 through 10.
I don't want to rate it too high.
Corey, how is it? Average?
Okay.
It takes a while to hit.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a number and then you can.
Because you know, you gotta go to the bar.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5.5.
I want to do both. 5.5 better. Okay. Who else hasn't tried number 1 yet? Come on up. Don't be afraid.
5.8.
5.8. We're going real technical here. Which one are we trying?
I don't know what to rate it.
Number 1 right here.
Which one?
Oh, that's the first one, yeah.
Coming in.
Oh, too much cumin. Wait, okay.
Is this the salsa division? Is that what this is? Are we keeping them separate from the guac?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is a separate division?
Yeah.
There's only 2.
There's only 2 of them.
Then I'm glad I gave it a 5. Where's the winner again?
Oh, wait, these are 3. There's 3
Oh, greens. Okay.
Yeah. That's super unique. I'm gonna go. I don't even know. Let me think about it.
I'm gonna go 8.4 on that one. 8.4, wow. Love that one. I like this.
Yeah, I love it
I think it
too.
needs more spice, so but I'm gonna give it like a 7.
A 7? Okay.
I like that one a lot.
I'm going 7.2.
7. Okay.
I'm gonna go 8.7493272.
8.9. Okay, 7.9. Have any other scores?
8.
8? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, everybody's eating better.
Everybody likes
It's all preference, yeah.
Yeah.
I still need like 2 or 3 more scores.
You got mine.
Yeah, you got money in that.
There's no spice.
Okay.
A hint of spice, good flavor. Who made that one?
We can't tell you.
How do y'all know all?
You're there.
Okay.
Never did you make that one?
Want to use some?
I got it.
I can't say. I should say.
An 8? Okay.
This one looks runny. Wait, is one of these store-bought? Yes.
We'll tell you at the end. So we're gonna reveal like where each of these are from. I don't know. Can tell like what's better.
5.5.
5.5?
Yes.
Okay.
I think I like it.
Good morning. We are going to skydive and we're about to go to Whitney's place and we're gonna ride over with her the rest of the way to skydiving. Look at that, right on the windshield. So I'm gonna grab the keys real quick so we can unlock the gate and we can get going. You're like, no way is this even happening. Oh, those vans are cute. Look at those colors.
Vans. Oh, no, we're not.
Part of my van is with you.
Oh yeah, it's around my waist.
It's like around her waist. Yeah. You wanna see? Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice style there. You just use your shoelace as a belt. There you go.
Except it's cuter when it's like long, so you could like do like a bow, but this works. Thought they were rappers. Yeah. Oh my God.
I'ma put in work. I'ma do that ASAP. Feel my favorite rap. But they say don't say that.
Woo! You're going fast! If I start driving too fast, no, you're good. I'm good. We gotta get there. Let's go!
Yo, I dropped at 88. Mistakes like VJs. Say my name is Minio. Say it with me. Minio. Okay, great.
Worship song? Yeah.
On my side.
That's the warm-up. It's like the real thing, but not as intense. It's going.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Excited?
Mm-hmm. So exciting. Seeing them come out and going like, oh my gosh, best thing ever. I'm like, yay! You made it alive!
So we're a little bit early. We just signed our waivers, you know, signing our life away.
Yeah.
And saying these things about you might die, you might die, you might die like 10 times.
We signed like 7 waivers.
Yeah, we signed like 7 waivers, so it is serious. You gotta consider this for sure. But all 4 of us are going.
All 4 of us are also coming down.
Yes.
We're going to go
Yes,
up.
we
and
are.
We're going to come down. One way or another.
And apparently it's going to be an amazing experience. So let's see how this goes. Excited. Should be fun.
Oh, that's fair. No, you do.
Any exceptional function, failure to perform, or change in weather conditions is something of risk agreement.
Just sit over there, the COVID corner.
That's what I thought. I told Katie that I'm gonna be
Fast.
my face.
I think you actually skydived with my sister. I recognize you in her picture.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. She skydived maybe a year ago.
Okay.
There's a huge sign that says, I love this flower so much. I'm very proud of it. There's a sign that says danger on your back. Ooh, nice.
Oh,
Where?
you're a danger.
Yeah. Where?
Camera. As you fall out of the plane, just think about hips forward like that. The instructor's going to tap your shoulders, arms out, chin up, look all around, keep breathing. Enjoy your first jump. jump, okay?
Okay. Keep our masks on.
Your instructor will probably have you take the mask off just before you jump out. We're going to wear it for the plane.
Okay.
And then we'll put it back on. Okay. So these guys will come down right here, check them out. Your instructor will come meet you in just a second. Stay in this area. And you'll be up on the plane before you know it.
Okay. We are all suited up and we are going in a couple minutes. There's some people going down right now. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. Why do they have those? It's liquid courage. Yeah, I think that's the videographer. He's got his DSLR to his head. And he's got like a trigger set up so he can just reach up to his head and press the button and
over all these people in here, and we'll make it back alive. Amen. Well, it was amazing. Definitely do it if you have the chance. It was
the water
incredible.
Was so pretty.
Yeah, I lost feeling in my legs at the bottom, but we're good. I have the feeling my ears gonna hurt.
It was good. You have to like breathe out like as you're going down, like you're going.
Yeah.
My guy said like plug your nose.
Yeah.
And breathe out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like could barely hear him, and I was like, oh my gosh, what just happened?
I feel like in the plane I couldn't really hear the people that much. It was like, oh gosh, I'm just hope that I do the right thing.
Yeah. He was like telling, or he would like say something, and I'd just be like,
Yeah. And yeah, it went by pretty fast too. And I feel like once the parachute went down, you start feeling like, okay, it's going slower, and then you kind of look around more.
Yeah.
But like it's kind of like a free fall until then, and it's kind of like, it seems really fast. Like it just goes by and you're like, wow, I just did that, it's done.
Yeah.
Coming around the corner.